You won a judgment in California. The state's collection rules are detailed and they have real teeth, but only if you know how to use them. Here's what every California judgment creditor needs to know. I'm with PeopleLocatorSkipTracing.com and we work California judgment recovery constantly. Here's the playbook. California judgments are valid for 10 years from the date of entry. You can renew them indefinitely every 10 years by filing an application for renewal of judgment in the original court. There's no cap on the number of renewals. California Debt can pursue a debtor for life if you stay current. Wage garnishment is allowed up to 25% of disposable earnings, with deeper limits for low-income debtors. You file a writ of execution and an earnings withholding order served on the employer. Levying officers, usually sheriffs or marshals, handle the actual service. Bank account levies require the same writ. The challenge is knowing which bank. California debtors are increasingly mobile and often have accounts at neobanks like Chime or Cash App, which require different levy procedures than traditional banks. Real estate liens are powerful. A judgment lien recorded with the county clerk attaches to any real property the debtor owns or acquires in that county for 10 years, renewable. The lien gets paid off when the debtor sells or refinances. The homestead exemption ranges from $300,000 to $600,000 depending on county median home prices. That means you can levy against home equity above the exemption, though forcing a sale is rare. The order of examination, California's debtor exam, compels the debtor to disclose all assets under oath. Failure to appear is contempt of court. Asset searches are the practical foundation. Knowing the debtor's bank, employer, vehicles, and real estate before you file levies makes the difference between successful collection and wasted court fees. For professional asset searches and judgment recovery support in California, visit PeopleLocatorSkipTracing.com. 20 years of helping creditors collect what they're owed.